Here you go.
Who's that from? From Strawberry Grandma? Whoa. What is it? This is from Grandma Kruger. Claire is very excited. Wow! Little Mermaid.
And some colors.
Wow! That's neat.
What else is in there? Some cookies.
Oh boy.
Oh, what's this?
It's a princess movie.
Is it a movie?
It's a movie.
It's Little Mermaid.
What's this?
That's a notebook to color in.
Ooh, you get to write in that. Some sort of crackers, I think. What do you say, Claire? Do you say thank you, Strawberry? Whoa!
Some more tacos. These are animal tacos.
I think she loves you.
Ooh, what a nice Halloween present.
What are these?
Oh, let's see.
Let me see.
Turn around.
Claire, can you say thank
those
you,
are-
Grandma?
Thank you, Grandma.
What? That's pretty cool.
What is it?
Wow.
More grandpa.